In this summer season, it becomes very difficult to stay in the kitchen for a long time. That is why today I'm going to share a recipe which you can have this in summer. And in this summer, where you have crossed in April, you have crossed around about 40 to 45 degree. So, and you don't feel like to eat anything, this is the best recipe which will increase your appetite, and you can have this with rice, papad and salad. Firstly, I have made some pakoras or fritters. I have made these pakoras with besan or ground flour and onions, and I have mixed it with some chili powder and salt and fried it in the oil. And now in another pan, I am taking here 2 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of ground flour or besan, and I am dry roasting it in the pan. And after that dry roasting the besan in the pan, I am going to transfer the besan into a bowl, and I am adding here 1/4 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of normal chili powder, and I am going to add here 1 cup of sour curd or yogurt. This is the homemade curd which I have made. Your curd should be sour. And after that I am adding here salt according to taste, and I will mix it all together so that there is no lumps. And again I am adding water, and I'll make a smooth liquidy texture we need here. And I'm just whisking it so that there is no lumps. Mix everything together. I have used here 1 cup of, I'm adding here 1 cup of sour yogurt and 2 cups of water, and make the consistency liquidy. This is this kind of consistency we need. And in a pan, now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'll heat the oil and add here 1 or 2 dry red chili and saute it for a few minutes. Now add just 1/4 teaspoon of mustard, black mustard seeds or white mustard seeds, and few fenugreek seeds or methi seeds into it, and saute for around about 1 minute in slow flame, and add 1/2 inch of chopped ginger and saute it for a few minutes, and then add the curry leaves. Cook it in slow medium heat and saute this for a few minutes till a nice aroma comes out. After that, add 1 small chopped onions, finely chopped onions, and saute this till it turns a little bit of translucent in color. After sauteing this for a few minutes and the color has been changed and a nice aroma is coming out from the kitchen, and now add the curry or the dahi mixture, the yogurt mixture which we have made with gram flour or besan and yogurt, and keep on stirring this so that there is no lumps at all. And at this time your flame should be very low. Add a little bit of water if you need, and mix it with a whisk and let it boil for a few minutes. As you have added the curd, so be careful. At this time the flame should be slow. And now after a few minutes I have added the pakoras or the fritters which we have made, and stir it and let it cook for another 2-3 minutes, and your curry is ready to serve. You can serve it with rice. It tastes yummy with rice. You can try this with roti too. And do enjoy, and let me know in the comment section how did you like it. Bye bye, take care.